Hi everybody, we are doing the partial products algorithm for multiplication. We're learning how to do 2 digits times 2 digits, and we're going to do this problem here, 26 times 13. So whether you're just using a piece of paper or whiteboard, or you're following along on this worksheet or the digital version of this, the steps are still going to be the same. So we're going to go ahead and get started. With partial products, you're splitting both numbers into parts, and then you're multiplying these parts against each other. First step is to take that 26 and put it in expanded form in the green and blue boxes. 26 in expanded form is 20 plus 6. So that's our first number. Since the 2 and the 6 are on the same team, they're next to each other, they're not going to multiply against each other. We're setting them up here so that they can battle the 13. So then our next step is to put that other number down below, again in expanded form. So 10 for that 1 there, and then 3. So that's 13 in expanded form is 10 plus 3. So now we have broken both numbers up into parts, and that's why it's called partial products, because you're taking the numbers, you're putting them into parts, and then you're just multiplying the parts together. So we're going to start with the 20 here, and we're going to multiply the 20 against both numbers on the other, both digits on the other number. So basically we're multiplying it against orange and red. So we're multiplying 20 times 10 and 20 times 3, and then you'll be done with the 20. And then you just do the same thing with the 6. 6 times 10 and 6 times 3. So you just do one digit at a time, and you multiply against both digits of the other number, and they never fight each other if they're already on the same number. So we're only going down and across. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with green versus orange and put that in here. 20 times 10. Well, whenever there are zeros, ignore them. So we're gonna do 2 times 1, which is 2, and then 0, 0, 200. Now we're gonna keep with this green. So if we did 20 times 10, what's left? We have to do 20 times 3 to get both of these. So we did the down, and now we're going across. For 20 times 3, again, forget that 0. What's 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is 6. And then we just stick a 0 on the end. So that was 20 times 3. So we're now finished with the 20 because we did 20 times 10 and 20 times 3. Now we're just going to do the same thing with the 6. So the 6 will multiply across and down. So we'll do 6 times 10 and 6 times 3. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 3 is 18. So what we've done here is we just did these 2 digits, but we did each one against this number, and that actually covered everything. So we did the 2, which is really a 20, against the orange and the red, and then we did the 6 against the orange and the red, and that takes care of everything. The last step is to add them all together. So we're going to start on the right. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 6 plus 1 is 13. So we're going to carry the 1, put the 3 down here, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. We got 338. So that's how we do the partial products, 2 times 2 digits. If you want to check out the rest of this playlist, whether you're using these worksheets or you're just following along with paper or whiteboard, you can still practice with us. Feel free to keep watching if you want to keep practicing, and I hope this is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.